Guys, good morning. June 19, 2020, 13 market moves analysis. Let's roll. The market is giving us an insane opportunity, guys. Markets are about to fall globally, and the big crash is about to begin today, June the 19th. The market is going to start falling, and we're going to see some insane drops in the market. June 22nd for June 26th. So position yourself to take advantage of these crazy moves we're about to witness here. So number one, world market charts point to a move lower. I'm going to show you a few charts real fast. Number two, overwhelming presence of bear reversal candles we're seeing in leading stocks, indexes, and so on. And number three, focus on shorting most heavily owned stocks because they are going to sell off the most. Just think of it as, look, when everybody likes a stock, all institutional investors, they keep putting money in it. Hey, even the Fed's been buying the damn thing. Okay, so necessarily there's a lot of money that's been going in some of these stocks, and we got them right here on the list. So some of the best stocks is what we want to short. We want to short Boeing, BKNG, Shopify. Guys, if Shopify hits 900 today, short the hell out of this thing because it's about to reverse. Amazon, same thing, guys. It keeps going higher on fumes. This is an incredible opportunity to short Amazon. And of course, the best one is Tesla. It keeps trending just above the 1,000, but keeps failing even when the good news are coming out for the stock. Guys, we're seeing a switch in the behavior. We're no longer seeing crazy call volume purchases on the call side in Tesla. As a matter of fact, we're seeing about an even distribution of the call to put side top situation. So guys, take advantage of it. Just short the damn Tesla. Okay, guys, here's Australian stock market right here. This is a clear head and shoulder formation. This thing is about to collapse, okay, after the death cross formation. You got death cross on the MACD, guys. So that's a quick review of how the Australia looks, and it's not looking good. If you take a look at Australia on a weekly chart, it's heading for death cross formation after a huge reversal candle. You can see a lot of the similarities pretty much across the board in many various markets across the world. Let's take a look at Tokyo right here. Same formation, head and shoulder formation, pre-existing condition, death cross right here, death cross on the MACD. Guys, this is not bullish by no means, and clearly double top against the gap, not good. Divergence on the RSI, guys. Nikkei is destined for a drop. Hong Kong, guys, same formation, head and shoulder after the death cross on the MACD. Guys, it's universal. All the world leading indexes are pointing to a move lower right here. The market is exhausted. Look at this, death cross already in Hong Kong right here. Double top against the top. So similar to what we're having right here in the United States. Now let's take a look at Amazon black candle formation. Guys, insane. Black candle, couple little red candles. Overall, just look at this tense condensation where it's not really moving higher or lower. Okay, what happens next? Huge drop. Same conditions bet right here. Black tiny little candles. Okay, tense trading tunnel. Boom, drop. Look at this. We're about to see Amazon do this. Guys, it's very simple. If you don't know what black candles are, okay, then click the link below, get the charts divergence score, start the hell out of it to make sure that you can recognize patterns like this, make you highly profitable. Now, here's the next thing. Tesla, guys, same formation. Look, tiny little black candles, boom, followed by a drop. Black candles, drop. Black candles, drop. What do you have here? Black candles, more black candles, guys. The next move is lower in the stock right here. Guys, I've talked about the indexes overseas, but look at the station here. It is actually worse because we're creating this double top, triple top, multi-top formation on one end, but on the other hand, okay, you've got same tense range, okay, we're within just a few points pretty much every day. That's exactly what we had in the last few days, guys. It's going to resolve into a move lower in NASDAQ. Now, already by MACD actually made a bearish crossover just a couple of days ago. So this is a phenomenal opportunity to short the top. Okay, same thing. S&P 500, guys. Look, the patterns, these patterns, they don't change. Look, MACD just made a cross a few days ago. Okay, it is a predecessor to some big upcoming drops in the market. They could begin as early as today. June the 19th could set the official beginning of the next huge leg lower. Okay, so be alert. Take advantage of these type of situations. So same conditions, right? Tight trading range, triple top, multi-top formation right here, tiny little black candles, boom, drop. Okay, same pre-existing condition as all the other charts across the globe I was just showing you. Death cross formation right here. Guys, similar conditions, RSI divergence, all kinds of stuff, tight trading range, tiny little black candles. Guys, the next move is lower right here. Pre-existing condition of MACD already happened. Okay, we've talked about BKNG. Okay, just short it on the bounce. This thing keeps going higher on tiny little volume. Every time it pops, it drops. It pops, it drops. Creates for phenomenal trading opportunities, especially on Fridays, guys, because typically it's kind of tough to catch. Yeah, BKNG had some high spreads, but understand, high spreads and options is not your enemy, okay? It's the low spreads and options that sometimes could be your enemy, because that tells you sometimes the stock is not going to move anywhere. If you're trading directional options, and the stock is not going to move anywhere, it doesn't matter whether there's a spread or not, you're going to get fucked because you're not going to make any money. So it's very simple. BKNG, yeah, does it have a higher spread? Yes, but so is your opportunity. The market participants understand that the stock at any given moment can move up, down 50 bucks. That's your opportunity to strike and take advantage of this situation. Guys, the levels that we've been talking about pretty much all week, guys, the market is struggling to get back up here to 3150, 3160. Not a good sign for the bulls, especially with all the great news of the ever-ending stimulus. Okay, and the market still can't go high. Guys, that's not bullish, that's highly bearish, okay? So the trading ranges are quite simple. We're not going to review down a lot of time on that yesterday. Next market move, 6 or 2 for today. Now, 6 or 2 for today is an indication of something huge. You might have been following the channel from a few years ago when I nailed the 666 move before the market dropped insanely. You've probably seen some sequences, 1162. Guys, we are at that critical moment where 13 markets move formula is pointing to another crazy sequence, and this time we're tracking for 11-11-2, which could result in a huge gap down in the markets on Monday. So officially the market crash could begin Monday, which would be the 22nd, Monday the 22nd. This is how potential move today is going to look. So first we're gapping down, we're moving higher. Slight drop, another bounce, 10-15. Could coincide with a good entry. If you missed that one, 10-30, 10-15, 10-30 is when the markets start reversing. Decent drop by 215, pull back higher, and sharp sell-off going into the close. Okay, this is what we've got as far as here. This is the sequence I've been trying to bring your attention to. 11 with a 6 behavior. 11. And potential we're getting a 2 today. There's actually a high probability of a move too, guys. If we get this 11-11-2 sequence, there is no doubt. This probability of a move 3, which is a huge gap down, is about 90% on Monday. So make sure you get some SPY puts with Monday expiration, okay, because those could be huge winners, 400 or 500% returners. Don't go crazy out of the money. Make sure you go just a little bit out of the money for high probability outcome. Now, the historic analog still points to a huge drop. Complacency on the market is unprecedented. And June 18th, yesterday, we got a move 11. This is how it looks on the chart. So basically, we close and open right about the same time. Intraday, we're creating a pyramid, multi-pyramid top formation. If you combine the pre-market action, you add another variation of 11 or a potential 2. You can describe it either way. But the main characteristic of these moves that I have together is that they are topping moves. Okay, if you take a look at the prior day, we had the same type of move. If you break it down, okay, the 6 characteristic that came in at the very end part of the day, this is something that we are likely to get again today. So if you're trading smaller accounts, start trading between 2:15 and 4 p.m. where the markets are likely to do this, exactly what they just did a day ago. Now, 2-day sequence is 11-11. Guys, 11-11, it's not something you want to play around. If you're a bull, you want to take this seriously, okay? This market has stepped out. It's out of juice. It's out of steam. It's trading on fumes. The only person that's buying is the Fed. Nobody else is buying. Everybody else, guess what they're doing right now? They're building some huge short positions, all right? So this show is not going to last much longer for the bulls. As a matter of fact, today could be the official end of the bull show. So kind of exciting if you're a short seller. 2, 4, 7, 11, 11. And what the hell is this? All these red dots here, Leonard. Hey, guys, this is multi-top formation. Continues to make series of lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Guys, it typically results in a sharp drop-off. Now, VIX review. VIX is sideways trend numerically high still. Potentially, VIX is set up for a huge breakout. Don't be surprised. Even though pre-market VIX is trading around 31, it is likely to shoot up to the moon by Monday, expected at 40, 45. Let's roll, guys. I'll catch you on the next trade soon. Make it happen.